Hi everyone, I'm Tim Wolfe, and I'm so excited to speak to you today. This is my first official day on the job as president of the University of Missouri System. Since I was named in mid-December, I've had the opportunity to get a behind-the-scenes look at each of our 4 universities, our healthcare system, and the amazingly diverse outreach from our extension offices in every county across our great state of Missouri. As a graduate of the University of Missouri who has remained connected to my alma mater, I thought I knew about the system, but I now realize there was a lot that I didn't know. In the past 2 months, my eyes have been opened to projects being undertaken, life-changing research underway, and outreach and service to the state in so many ways, not only in Columbia, where I went to school, but also at our universities in Kansas City, Rolla, and St. Louis. Quite honestly, I'm stunned by the magnitude of what our university does and awed by the people leading these efforts. And even though I've seen just a snapshot of the work we're doing in teaching, research, service, and economic development, it's clear to me that our 4 universities are uniquely advancing Missouri's education, health, economy, and culture in every county, every single day. The credit for this meaningful contribution of our university system to our state's well-being belongs squarely on your shoulders, our dedicated and talented faculty, our great staff, and we can never forget our terrific students. Today and for every day here on out, I say thank you. Our challenge ahead is to make sure that all of our fellow Missourians are even more aware of the unique role we play in advancing our state, and that they care even more about our unique potential as much as we do. I'm still getting the lay of the land here, and I have much to learn, but I'm speaking to you today with a simple vision of how our university system can continue the momentum it has achieved and become globally recognized as a leader amongst our peers. In short, I summarize it this way: aware, care, involve, and attract. So what does that mean? Being aware means understanding all the ways our university system is uniquely advancing Missouri. Our success comes by attracting great students, and once they're here, focusing on their success, providing a quality education, and being accountable for their progress. Students come here because it's obvious we have a great faculty, great staff, a positive learning environment, and much to be proud of. If we can make a connection between the University of Missouri system and what it does and how it affects all of us, I am convinced people will care. Whether it's the 1 million people we touch annually through our great extension services, the 200,000 plus patients we see across the state, our 200,000 statewide alumni, we have a lot of people who already care. If we can get each of those people to make others more aware of what the system does for them, then I believe even more people will begin to care more about our university. There are many ways people become involved, from becoming a student to visiting one of our universities for a first-hand look at the innovative learning environments we have created. They can become more involved by attending a play on campus, community lecture, or they can be a mentor, a financial supporter, or a partner in our research. I believe that if more Missourians were engaged with our university, we then would attract their support, greater investment of their time, and philanthropy. Why does any of this matter? Certainly raising the profile of the university can help our 4 campuses, extension team, and healthcare enterprise. But I believe our collective success on achieving the full measure of our mission will have a much broader effect on our state's future and what that means for the quality of life and standard of living for our fellow citizens. As your new president, I'm dedicated to preserving and continuing to uphold our university's mission in a quality fashion. I'm dedicated to doing everything in my power to help our campuses prosper. I'm dedicated to you. We will prosper and uphold our mission by continuing the strategic priorities laid out by Interim President Steve Owens and President Gary Forsey. But I can't do it alone. I need your help and your input. So please share your stories about how you and your colleagues are helping to advance Missouri. On our website, you'll find a growing list of great university stories, organized by county. Tell us your story, then share it with your circle of influence. Become stronger advocates. My call to action is simple. Let's make sure all Missourians are aware of the important work our university pursues across the state. Let's make sure all Missourians care about higher education and the uniqueness of the University of Missouri. Let's reach out to make sure all Missourians are involved in the breadth of what we do. Let's make sure all we do and say attracts the attention, time, energy, and resources of fellow Missourians. After all, the University of Missouri is uniquely positioned to improve the quality of life and standard of living for all Missourians. No other public or private institution in the state is doing more than we are to advance Missouri. I look forward to working with you to achieve this new, more engaged relationship across our system and with our fellow citizens across the state. Thank you for your support, and I believe there is a very bright future for our great University of Missouri system and our great state. Good luck, and I look forward to talking with you soon.